Greetings, everyone. I'm gonna demonstrate how to program on Rockwell MicroLogic using ladder. How to program a traffic light. It's gonna be really simple. This line over here is called rung. We're gonna add three rungs. One, two, three rungs, and we need timer. We're gonna add three timer when it's turned on. So timer on, one, two, and three. For this, we need some switches. We're gonna add one normally closed switch and the rest of normally open. So it start by itself. You don't have to push nothing. It's gonna do it automatically. So we call the name of the timer. It's timer 0. We're gonna give it 10 seconds. Oh no, 5 seconds. Well, this will allow us to turn on the red light for 5 seconds. We're gonna do the same thing for the yellow timer. This time the timer is gonna be for 5 seconds, and then the green light is gonna turn the same time. The amount of time of the red light is gonna be 5 seconds. Okay, so when this bit is done, it will start this one and then start the red light. And then when the red light is done, it will start the yellow light. And then when the yellow light is done, so we need to address this done bit for this input. So instead of call it an input, we call the timer. And the timer 2. And we gotta specify that is the done bit. The same for this switch. We're gonna use a timer address. The address is gonna be 0, and when it's done. And saying the same for the green timer, but instead of the red timer, is gonna use the yellow timer. And again, when it's done, this is important. Okay, so now we got our 3 switches. We save it and compile it and make sure it's working on. Okay. Now we're gonna add 3 lights. Okay. So we add 3 rungs with 3 light outputs. This output is gonna be red, yellow, and green. And for we need to address when the red timer is counting, it turn on the red light. And when the yellow timer is counting, we gotta turn on the yellow light, and so on, so on. So we need 3 switches. This time it's gonna be normally open. So we got our 3 switches. We're gonna address the timer for number 0 for the red timer, and we gotta tell the, hey, you're gonna use the timer, the counting timer, not the dumb bit. Timer 4, 1. Timer. And same thing here. T4, timer 2. I forgot to put the dumb bit, the timing bit. Okay, so we compile it, we save it, compile it, download it, and we run it. So like you can see, the red timer is counting, Now the yellow is counting. Now the green timer is counting, and you see the green light turn on. And we go back to the red light. It's counting. We got red light. Then yellow is counting. And so on, so on. And now you got it. You got a traffic light programming in Logic PLC. Thank you for watching.